Hey, Rock Socks.
Daddy, you play Honk?
Honk? What's honk?
Your nose, Honk.
What are you talking about? Nothing happens when you press my nose. Look. See? Nothing.
It's just a regular old nose.
Honk.
Huh?
What was that? Honk, honk. Hey, what's going on here? Where's that honking coming from?
Your nose, Dada.
My nose? No way. Let me see. Nothing. Well, that's weird, isn't it? Honk.
What's happening?
Well, Muffy, it's really weird. Whenever Socks presses my nose, it makes a weird honking sound. Honk.
Ooh, let me try.
Weird, huh? Seems to only happen when Socks does it.
I'll try pressing it harder.
Muffin!